What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to change the light bulb right here. So it's a 2005 Ford F150. I've had it since 2009. I don't think I've ever changed the light bulbs. I mean the headlights. So let's see how it goes. It shouldn't be that hard. Alright, so first thing you gotta do, you gotta take out this little, this looks like a plastic screw right here. I already took it off, but you take this off, and it has 3 screws, so not that many screws. Get this out of the way. So it's 1, 2, and then 3. And same thing on the other side. And in the back right here, somewhere there's a little clamp that you gotta just pull out. But let's see how it goes. And now you gotta disconnect. There's 1, 2, and 3. Oh, how yellow these are. Let me show you the new ones. You know what? Let me take both of them out. These are the new ones. Got them from TikTok, actually. Pretty good deal. About $67 more or less. But I'll show you right now how the difference. Oh, man. Look at the difference on this one, guys. New, old. New, old. Man, it's a big difference. Alright guys, so that's the first one. Second one, okay. So what's going on here is these came in new, but when I take this off, it doesn't fit. So I'm just gonna be replacing the bulbs, light bulbs on this one and on this one. Just replace the bulbs. And I'll keep these for any emergency or whatever. Alright, let's see if I can do this one a little bit faster. Man, that was so much better. Alright, I'm gonna try the lights on. Guys, I think they're working. Okay, now just do the assembly again. Done, guys. Man, look at the difference, guys. Sweet. Now I'm gonna be able to see in the streets. Look at that. Man, I like it. I like it. And these are all the extra parts that I'm gonna save because these light bulbs work. And these are extra, so I'll save them. Alright guys, this is the after. Man, they look so much nice. So much nicer than it was. And then next week, I'm gonna replace those fog lights. I already ordered them. They're on their way, guys. Look at that. Let's see. Nice. Alright guys, so there you go. How to change the headlights for a 2005 Ford F150. Nice, sir. Alright, thank you for watching. God bless and see you later.